How to order on Burger King app. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. Start by heading over to your application Burger King, or you can simply move into any of the web browser and then move into the official website of Burger King. Let me move into Safari. Once you're in the official page of Burger King, enter your login credentials and make sure you are logged into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, now simply move into any of the product that you want to order. You simply have to click on Order Now. Once here, click on Add to Cart at the bottom of the screen. Now you will need to enter the nearby location in which the Burger King is available. Once you have searched for it, simply click on the specific order, and then you have to confirm your order. Once done, click on Checkout and then enter the payment method. Once you have paid the amount with the help of a payment method, your order will be placed, and within few hours or few minutes, you'll receive your order in your address, and then you'll be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.